Welcome to Pluralsight. You're watching vSphere and other required infrastructure components. In this module, we'll cover the different infrastructure requirements around vCloud Automation Center. Now, we talked before about how the IaaS components actually allow you to integrate with other endpoints in an enterprise ecosystem. So, physical endpoints, other hypervisors, virtual machines, collaboration systems. You'll remember the possibilities are pretty limitless as far as we can use VCO to integrate with any API-based system. So this module is going to talk about all of those different third-party integrations and the different supported versions and really what some of the more common things we can hook into are. The first piece is for management server integrations. And what this is, the most common one, vCenter Server. Or we can talk about Microsoft SCCM. So this is going to talk about vCloud Automation Center integrating with other management platforms to do provisioning and reporting and really have that two-way communication. So we'll look at what we support and how those integrate. We'll then talk about hypervisor requirements and integration. So after we've looked at the management servers, we'll go to the hypervisors and see what we support, whether it's ESXi, KVM, Hyper-V. We'll talk about the different supported versions and also the different integration points. Next, we'll talk about physical management interfaces, and again, this is all about provisioning to and managing physical hosts. Next, we'll look at how you connect to vCenter Orchestrator. Remember, this is a very important part because without vCenter Orchestrator, vCloud Automation Center really can't do a lot of the integrations that we talked about. So we'll look at how you connect the two and how those interact. Next, we'll talk about ITBM. So you'll remember before we talked a little bit about the costing part and showing cost comparisons, cloud cost, infrastructure breakdowns. We'll look at how ITBM integrates into vCloud Automation Center and the type of data that it can share and also enrich the system with. And finally, we'll talk about vCNS or vCloud Networking Security, as well as NSX integration. So this is more on the software-defined networking side and some security use cases. We'll look at how that integrates in with vCloud Automation Center. So let's get started.